sa lahat. No? Papasukin lang po natin yung karamihan para mapanood natin yung kaninang Zoom meeting. No? Mamaya po ipapaliwanag ni Raj yung all about tag market. No? So, makinig po tayo mabuti para mas malalo natin maintindihan. But before that, no, hello kay Tita Gloria, kay Ofelia, kay Pipito, the usual na attendees natin. Judith, kay Sir Edgardo, kay iPhone, kay Scorpion 26, kay Let, kay Karen Ariola. Gandang buhay. Kay Sir Eddie, thank you sa pag-join. So invite natin yung mga kasamahan natin po, no? Papasukin natin dito para mapakinggan nila yung ating yung presentation ni Raj. It's only about sabi niya nga 7 minutes presentation. So para mas lalo nating maintindihan yung tag market, then siguro afterwards we can talk about yung ibang products and services pa natin like Planet IX, Escape, no? Para ma-cover natin lahat. So ask them to join us, no? Timo kung napapansin niyo po, medyo inaaraw-araw na natin yung pag-Zoom meeting natin dahil we want them to learn and understand na ito na yung hinahanap natin. No? Wala kang gagawin, kikita ka. So, ang gagawin mo lang, kailangan maintindihan mo, syempre. At makapaglagay ka dito, makapag-invest ka dito under the C1 umbrella. So yun po. No? So, ask them to join us, please. And mag-ipi-play ko uli yung presentation ni Raj in a few minutes. Okay, thank you. Ayan. Kung narinig nyo si Kenny kanina, no, binabanggit niya na may kumikita, isipin nyo po, may kumikita ng $100,000 in a month. Narinig nyo kanina, no? At yung tag market industry, malaki na yung kanyang ang performance niya maganda. Mamaya po mapapakita ni Raj siya, no? Kung gaano kaganda yung bakit Sonic AI yung pinili natin, no? So makikita natin yan mamaya. So invite po tayo, no? Papasukin natin sila. Yeah. Kumusta kayong lahat? Okay lang ba kayo? Ayan. Nakapag-migrate. Ayan, yun. Thank you, Tita Glo. Yung, buti may sumasagot. Sagot naman kayo para no?
Okay lang naman, sir. Thank you.
Ayun.
Sa trabaho, Coach Anton.
Lang po, sir.
Sige lang.
Makain.
Yun, very good. Mahirap magsalita po, totoo lang. Nang wala kang nakikita kausap, no? Ang hirap. Pero dahil ginagawa namin nila Sir Eddie, no? Mga leaders natin, para mas lalo nyo maintindihan, ma-encourage kayo lalo that this is something big, this is something new, no? Na lagi namin sinasabi, ito na yung hinahanap natin. Bakit ayaw pa? No? Bakit? Ang question nga ganito, pag tinanong mo, bakit ayaw mo na sa C1? Kasi hindi ako kumikita. Okay, ngayon kikita ka na. Bakit ayaw mong bumalik? Ngayon kikita ka na araw-araw. Bakit ayaw mo? Ngayon ang question, balik ko yung question, ba't ayaw mo na sa C1? Nasa mindset, no? Nasa sa tao talaga. Dahilan lang na hindi siya kumita. Pero sa totoo lang, ayaw niya talagang gawin. Nakuha niyo po yung point? So,
Yes po.
naparinggan ko yata si Ma'am Judith, ha? Di ba? Ayan, kumikita na tayo araw-araw. Nagulat nga si Ma'am Judith, kumita siya. Ay, malaki na pala sir ang kinita ko. Tamo?
Wala akong ginawa, naglagay
Wala
lang.
akong ginawa, naglagay lang. Tamo? Yun yung sinasabi ko, eto na yun eh. Ayan, si Ma'am Ofelia. Ma'am Ofelia, magkano na yung kinita mo sa nilagay mo? Magkano ang daily mo? Yung minimum daily mo, Ma'am Ofelia, magkano? Di ba?
Hindi ko tanda, sir.
Hindi ko tanda. Pero magkano na yung ano yan, kino-compound mo ba siya o ano ba? Ano bang ginawa mo? Ano, magkano ba yung nilagay mo kung pwede kong maitanong?
Yung una, sir, bali 600 ata yun.
$600?
Oo. Tapos
Tapos,
yung sunod, 1,000.
$1,000.
Oo.
$1,600. Come on. Wow. Oh, congratulations, Ma'am Ofelia.
Thank you, sir.
Oh,
Kasi walang ginagawa eh. Kaya
magkano na yung kinita mo in total? Hindi mo tinitingnan. Basta
meron
na
akong $100.
$100 na ang kinita mo. Eh, kailan ka lang, di ba?
Mhm.
Kailan lang yun?
Kailan lang.
Oo. Ngayon po, yung ipapakita natin kanina, Raj have his own presentation. Hinihingi ko nga yung slides niya eh. Minessage ko siya kanina. Sabi niya sa akin, Anton, I'm busy at the moment, pero I'm going to send you yung presentation slides. No? So, yan.
Yan sir, okay yan para meron na tayong presentation pag tayo mag-zoom. Kaya madali nila masundan.
Kaya kanina, di ba, nagsalita po. Narinig mo ba, Sir Eddie, nung nag-question ako kanina?
Oo sir, nabutan ko yun.
Okay, nabutan mo. Anong sabi ni Raj? Anton, may number ba ako sa'yo? Sabi ko, meron. Nung minessage ko siya, sumagot na siya. So, ang tawag dito, dire-diretso lang tayo. Tingnan nyo. Makikita nyo po yung presentation ngayon. Very detailed yung presentation ni Raj. Paano yung nangyayari. So, sana maintindihan ninyo. Mamaya, kung gusto nyo po, hima-himayin natin para mas lalo nyo maintindihan. Ngayon, ito pang maganda. No? Yung may nakita kami doon, mayroong tinuro si Raj na akala natin, Sir Eddie, mali, no? Yung i-compound mo doon na hindi ka nagagamit ng Corbit, ganun yung ginagawa niya. Pwede pala yon, no?
Hindi pa natin alam yun, sir.
Oo, di ba ang ginawa, Ma'am Annabel, nakapanood ka ba kanina? Nakapasok ka ba kanina doon sa presentation? Gano'n, nagko-compound siya nang hindi gumagamit ng Corbit. Pwede pala yon, no?
So, hindi po dadami yung kanyang
Hindi, iba yung, mamaya, ipi-play ko mamaya, nagulat din ako, iniisip ko, sabi ko, paano yon? Kahit hindi gumamit ng Corbit, kino-compound niya. Eh, ikaw ma'am, magaling ka sa mathematics eh. Makikita mo naman yan eh.
Sinubukan ko po yung pindutin eh.
Oo.
So, diretso po yung yung balance mo, diretso doon sa deposit. So, wala po yung doble.
Hindi siya nagko-compound, no? So, ewan ko bakit ganun yung ginawa niya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Hindi na siya gumagamit ng Corbit.
Nadadagdag po siya, pero wala siyang times 12.
Wala siyang ganon. Okay.
Kasi walang
Sir, walang times 12 siguro yun, sir.
Siguro. Hindi ko alam bakit hindi niya ginawa. Marami naman siyang Corbit. Minsan iniisip ko yun eh. Sabi ko, bakit kaya hindi niya na ginawa? Baka may paggagamitan pa siya ng Corbit.
Baka sinisave na niya yung Corbit niya, sir.
Para sa UNF.
Kung tutusin, hindi naman sa, di ba, hindi naman sa rank of ng crowd 1, di ba?
Oo.
Hindi kasi dami ng Corbit natin yung Corbit niya kung hindi siya bumili ng maraming package.
Oo. Pero imposible rin na wala siyang Corbit kasi nasa loob siya, sir eh.
Hindi, meron yun, sir. Pero ibig sabihin, wala pa siya kasi nung yung C1 rewards, wala pa si Sir Raj nun eh.
Wala pa. Oo. Sa bagay.
Kaya, kumbaga, ay nagkaroon man siya ng Corbit sa mga package lang na binili. Saka siyempre, may network din naman yata siya, pero huli-huli na siya dumating.
Ayan. Sige, siguro let me play yung presentation ni Raj, no? Kung ready na kayo, i-play ko yung presentation ni Raj para
mas maganda, sir.
Para maintindihan ninyo, then papasukin na lang natin yung iba. So, salamat po sa pag-attend, no? Yeah.
May kopya
Recording
po
in
kayo ng
progress.
buo na
Eh,
ano.
Buo ito.
Oh,
buo.
pwede niyo pong i-send sa akin. Thank you po.
Sige lang. Buo ito from the very beginning. Kanina na-play ko na about 9 minutes yung start from Kenny, no? So,
Po akong
mm, okay.
Recording stopped.
Okay. I'm going to play na po, no? Ito po yung presentation ni Raj about our tag market. Ano po? So, makinig po tayo mabuti tapos himayin natin mamaya, no? You can ask question. Sige po.
So, firstly, welcome to this fantastic
Recording in
meeting that we're
progress.
talking about here. This is the partnership, service partnership collaboration that C1 had with Tag Markets and Stratify. Now, the question you must be thinking is, what is Stratify? So let me tell you what is the difference between Stratify, Tag Market, etc. Tag Market is a broker. It's a forex broker. No brokers can ever individually promote any individual copy traders. So you need to understand this. So none of the brokers in the world can promote a particular strategy or a copy trader. That's where Stratify comes into the picture, where Stratify gives to all of you a door where you have different copy trading strategies. It is also powered with AI, cutting edge AI technology, and it rewards the affiliate model. Now, is the copy trader that Stratify has promoted called Sonic AI, is it AI or is it real people working? Well, let me clear this off today. There are 3 people working in Sonic AI. One is the master trader and the other 2 are the pilots, which I'll talk about in a bit. Now, whenever we have to show a presentation, we definitely ask with questions. You know, we start with questions. Apparently, there are people who are still not aware in your teams. I'm not even talking elsewhere in the world, but in your teams, in your downline structure, in your network tree, because I keep getting messages from quite a few members who have my number, but they are not technically connected with any of you as uplines. If you're missing out that, I would be personally getting in touch with you tomorrow as an upline. I would definitely want that you should be the one taking the lead, because these people are the ones who've been waiting for an opportunity. And today we have this opportunity. Talking about the biggest trading industry in the world, many people think crypto is the biggest one, or bonds are the biggest one, but forex trading is bigger than crypto, stocks and bonds combined together. Now, this is the power of forex. What is the volume? We are talking about $7 to $8 trillion every single day. I would request Samsung SM to please, sir, if you can mute yourself, because there's some issues in the background. And I really want our fantastic members to listen to all these factual information that I'm coming up with right now. So we are talking about an industry of $7 to $8 trillion every single day that moves. And of course, there are different things which the AI has impacted, and therefore the data, the strategies becomes comparatively easier to look for Stratify or to Sonic AI in order to go ahead and give trades. Now, some of you have also asked me, Raj, why is this Sonic AI probably just doing 1 trade in a day, or, you know, in a week, maybe 3 or 4? Why not many trades every day? Well, there's a beautiful saying, if you think that you might get divorced, it's better not getting married in the first place. So it's a very beautiful saying, right? So it's the same thing. Rather than putting or booking a loss, it's better not to trade. And there are a lot of aspects that controls the trading. A copy trader would not trade if they do not see a proper trade margin where they can set their amplification or amplitude at. So once again, welcome to the world's largest and most liquid financial market. Please remember this. This is the most important thing that we are talking about. liquid financial market. And I also tell you, I'm not a financial advisor. I am here representing what products, services we have in C1 to offer our C1 members. Now, by liquid, what do you mean? Let's say a lot of people invest in real estate. They invest in different properties. But if I have to sell my property, do you think it gets sold in less than a month or maybe 2 months? No, it takes time. You put your property there, you put the pricing there, and then you further, talk to different brokers, yada, 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 which may take about 3-6 months for your property to get liquidated. Tag markets, your initial invested amount is locked in only for 30 days, 30 days. On the 31st day, you can go ahead and withdraw your entire capital that you've put, no matter how much ever it was. So we are talking about such a fantastic platform. Forex industry, as we all know, operates 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It asks you to, hey, you know what? All of us are busy making money across every single hour, every single second of our lives. Hold on. Saturday and Sunday, spend time with your family, spend time doing calls like these, knocking the opportunity across different people and your contacts. This is what this industry tells you. Crypto, I am personally a crypto futures trader. I love doing it. But I know the kind of distraction crypto future trading had on me was quite immense, because every single hour, if I've placed a trade, I'm worried, hey, whether it'll get liquidated, whether it'll crash, what's going to happen, this. And it can toll on my health as well. But here is where I understood what a balanced life is all about. So, dear leaders, Stratify introduces tag markets. You know about tag markets. Tag market is the Forex broker. They trade in Forex, gold, stocks and indices, commodities, cryptos, etc., etc. Tag markets is licensed in Mauritius, which therefore makes it secure, transparent, and a high-performing environment for different traders. Talking about some of the USPs, Tag Market is one of the fastest growing brokers globally. They've been recognized as one in the month of July, August this year. They're fully licensed and regulated. They have an industry best benchmark with respect to withdrawals. So, one more thing, making it clear, because I know these are the questions that's coming up in your heads, and I have received these questions from some of you as well. C1 has nothing to do with Tag Market's withdrawals, which means if Tag Market is claiming that they are having one of the industry best withdrawal policies, which is less than an hour, then it has nothing to do with C1. So if you're earning anything on Tag Market, on the trading profits, lot commissions, etc., etc., and you request for a withdrawal of your profits or whatever it is, you get it in 1 hour. Now, 1 hour is the time that they have stated. Average time has been around 33 to 34 minutes. So that's really cool. They are regulated by the Financial Services Commission's Mauritius. In the month of October, they had the trading volume at $300 billion. And average trading volume that's going on is about $200 billion. Of course, with the month of November, it has increased more. We're talking about more than 250,000 traders. We're talking about 24/7 live support, including a WhatsApp support. That's incredible, to be honest. I mean, none of us would like to get held on a question or an answer or probably seeking solutions because of certain things, unless and until you have made it complicated yourself. I know some of you on the call here were already a part of Tag Markets much before it got introduced by C1, and therefore the things have been complicated since then and you've not got a solution, and I'm sorry for this, but I'll make sure that this is resolved yet again. Now we are talking about your partners in profit. We are talking about a zero deposit, zero withdrawal fees. Fast crypto withdrawals with a MetaTrader 5 experience and with an autopilot mode, which is copy trading. That's what I do. Tag Market is a bridge between prop trading and brokerage account to people who understand what is Forex and the norms and the terms there. You'd get this. But simply to understand, you just have to remember that whatever you deposit gets multiplied by 12x with CBIT and your initial investment, or 24x technically with CBIT is what we say. We're talking here about real funds, real freedom, real profits. Of course, volume is the king in Forex, which means the larger the funds, the larger the trades, and more commissions. It's designed for mobile, so therefore if you look at it, has a beautiful mobile integration. Yes, it might take a couple of minutes or a couple of logins for you to understand how it works, but trust me, it is seamless. We are also going to be talking about the app that will be launched very soon, and by soon I'm talking about the end of this month, December, or in January. It has multi-account manager tools where you can see all the trades on MetaTrader 5. They do also have a Tag Academy. Now, Tag Academy is a platform where you can learn while you earn. Talking about the app, they would also be launching the Copy Signal, free Copy Signal trading signals that will be coming up on the app along with Academy, and a lot of other interesting statistics with respect to your P&L, things that you can see on your phone. Of course, with the app, it gets even easier, even better. Stratify now helps you with 24x leverage on your initial deposit. So for example, if I talk about my deposits, if I have deposit $500, it gets 24x with Corebit. So that's something that we need to understand. Now, some of you must be thinking that, Raj, I'm new to Forex trading. Or some of you, if you've spoken to some of your friends and families, and they're saying, well, I don't know what is Forex trading. How do I start? Well, this is a platform where you can start. Tag Academy. That's, some people generally prefer understanding what the industry is before they get into it. Some people do not, and they believe in what you say. But since we have different kind of people, it's important to cater accordingly to everyone of its kind. So when a person wants to know more and learn more about tag, for example, I had one of my friends and I told her about tag markets, and she was super interested. What she's done, she's put an investment there. She's opened her account. Copy trade is going on, but at the same time, she, for the past 10 days, is making sure that she wants to learn each and everything about the Forex market because she was absolutely new. Therefore, she has an access to Tag Academy where she's, I think, on different courses now. You're talking about fundamentals of Forex trading, copy trading, what is scalping, etc., etc. Now, some of us do not really wish to waste a lot of time just in learning. So therefore, in today's world, or even if you talk to any Gen Zs or the millennials out there, they want to earn while they are learning. And this has been a mindset that we have seen in the last couple of years. This is where the power of CopyX comes into the picture, which is copy trading. Simple as it gets, earn while you learn. On CopyX, you have a recommended copy trader called Sonic AI. So Stratify has introduced Sonic AI on the Tag Market platform as the copy trader. Now, why do I say this? Is it only because, since Stratify has said this, we are okay? No, let's talk about facts. Let's talk about statistics. Sonic AI has delivered positive results, positive numbers that you can see on the screen here in the last 12 months. And therefore, it is acclaimed to be one of the best copy trading platforms or copy traders in the world. You might look at the number, 1.78%, 1.14%, 1.18%, 1.63%. You might be thinking that, Raj, it's such a less number every month. What are we talking about, Raj? Because in a year, if you look at it, it's like 14-15% if I calculate everything. Well, here's the game. Here's the actual definition Whatever you see every month, 1.78%, 1.61%, 1.63%, this multiplied by 12x, because you are getting an amplification of 12x, a leverage of 12x. So whatever number that you see multiplied by 12x is what is your profits, trading profits. This is what you can see on My FX Book, which is one of the verified platforms for different copy traders across the world. You do have trading profits any which way. I'll also show you my live accounts. Now here we have just spoken about the overview of what is Stratify, what is TAG, how is it related. Now let me quickly take you through some of the points of bonuses, which I believe this market, all of you have slightly been missing, because I do have different tracks and tools that I do my analysis on, and I can see that pretty evitably. Let's talk about the first kind of a bonus. That's called the trading profit. Now, what is trading profit? Trading profit is simple profits that are earned by following Sonic AI as your copy trader. Whenever there's a trade, Sonic gives you 70% of what you've earned. I'm not going to go into the steps because I'm sure by now you all are aware of this, but a simple step: you deposit on TAG, you burn equal amount of core bits, you copy X, you copy trade Sonic AI, you download the MetaTrader 5 app. Now, some of you, if you're missing out on the MetaTrader 5, I would highly recommend you to please go ahead, log into Tag Markets, go to CopyX, go to Dashboard. Here is where at the bottom you will see your MetaTrader 5 credentials. You simply have to log in once. You need to select TM Financials. After you download, you just have to select search for TM Financial, Tag Market Financials. Enter the credentials that you can see of your own account, and then you can see all the trades without really getting into the Tag Market, logging in again and again. Trading profit means 70%, 70% of the entire profit is kept by you. You are the owner of 70% of the profits. 5% goes to the copy trader, and 25% is shared back to the community, which means 25% goes across 10 level in your sponsor line structure, which means 2.5% of profit from every single trade that has happened goes to you. Now we are talking something really serious. Understanding what is this 25% across 10 levels? Well, let's say if I sponsor Smile, Smile sponsors Eddie, Eddie sponsors Raffle. This is a sponsor line structure, 10 levels down. Now let's say I have invested about $1,000, but Smile has put in $100,000. Whatever profits, trading profits that Smile is making on $100,000, 2.5% of that comes to me. Irrespective, I have put in less amount, does not matter. The only rule was, if you need to unlock the profit sharing and lot commissions, you need to have a personal minimum deposit of $250 on Tag. Minimum deposit is $10 on Tag Markets. You can do 10, 20, you can start with whatever you want. But in order to be eligible for profit sharing 10 levels and lot commission 10 level, you need to have a minimum deposit of $250. That's it. Now this is a beauty, right? 2.5%. So I earn 2.5% of the trading profit from Smile because he is my level 1. Let's say Smile sponsored Eddie. Eddie also has put in, let's say, $50,000. 2.5% of the trading profit, whatever Eddie has earned, 2.5% goes to Smile, 2.5% also comes to me. Now, Eddie has sponsored Raffle. Raffle's trade, 2.5% of the trading profit goes to Eddie, goes to Smile, goes to me. So technically, I am getting the benefit for each and every sponsor line, 10 levels with dynamic compression. What does dynamic compression mean? Let's say if Eddie takes out his money and there's nothing that he has. So in that case, if Raffle was a directly sponsored downline of Eddie, now since Eddie has taken out everything, he's stopped copy trading, he's taken out his money, 2.5% of the profit that Raffle, the trading profit that Raffle has made through his copy trader, 2.5% now does not go to Eddie, but it goes to Smile, it comes to me. So it still goes 10 levels. So this is the beauty that we are talking about. Sponsor line structure, commissions, bonuses are similar to compounding. And I'm telling you, dear leaders. All right, so quickly, we have spoken about trading profit. We have spoken about profit sharing. The only condition is you need to have a minimum deposit of $250 on Tag Markets in order to be eligible for the 2.5% profit sharing across 10 levels. If you're less than that, and this I'm talking about without core bits, it's pure $250 in fiat or crypto on Tag. This is what we are talking about apart from core bit. Now comes lot commission. What is lot commission? In simple word, if there's any trade that opens or closes by the copy trader, there is a particular lot which is earned by the broker. In our case, it's the Tag Market that earns. Let's say Tag Market gets $14 as a lot commission, for example, for 2 standard lots. Stratify gives back $8.50 to the community in 10 levels that you can see on your screen here. And the remaining $2 goes to Leader Pool 1 and Leader Pool 2. Technically giving back $10.50 out of $14 back to the people. Now, how do I earn lot commission? Let's say again, here there's a trade that's opened, and let's say I have sponsored Smile, Smile has sponsored Eddie, Eddie has sponsored Raffle. From Smile, I earn a lot commission of $2. From Eddie, I earn $1.50. From Raffle, I earn $1, and so on and so forth. It goes across the 10 level sponsor line commission bonus. This is simple words, lot commission. Leader pool bonus. Now, before I jump into the leader pool bonus, let me tell you all, dear leaders, trading profit, profit sharing, and lot commission, the first 3 that you see here, are actually called passive income, which means that tomorrow, if you don't do anything, you don't build your team, you don't go ahead and talk about Stratify Tag Markets to anyone, whatever you have done, you will still keep getting the bonuses provided the trade is still intact. If no one has withdrawn anything, no one has bought anything new, you're not building your team, you're still earning the trading profits, obviously. You're still getting the profit sharing out of it. You're still getting the lot commissions. Now we are talking about the leader pool and CPA and incentives. These are called active commission. You as a leader have already qualified for trading profit. You know what it is. You already know what is profit sharing. You also know what is lot commission. Now, as a leader, as a visionary, you can never get stuck with just 3 commissions. If you're a leader, if you're a networker, you have to talk about the active commission, which is the leader pool. In simple words, I can tell you, leader pool bonus, there are 2 leader pool 1, leader pool 2. Both of these pool have equal amount of money going into the pool. For qualifying in leader pool 1, if your total deposit from your entire structure, from your entire network is $500,000, you get 1 ticket to the leader pool 1. Similarly, leader pool 2 bonus is from your entire network, from your entire structure, not just 1 leg, 2 leg, everything. If there is a total new deposit of $1 million every month, you get 1 ticket to leader pool 2. So this is a monthly bonus. Leader pool is a monthly bonus, which means every new deposit that happens, whether it's redeposit, which means compounding, or whether it's the new deposit, you speaking to other people and actually benefiting out of this business, this is the bonus that's meant for you. Now comes CPA earning. Simple words, CPA is cost per acquisition. If you have all your level 1s, which means your directs, so let's say in C1 sponsor line structure, you may have 5 directs, but you're also going ahead and building now your team on Tag Markets using the referral link out there. You are talking to people. everyone who's your level 1, if there's a deposit, new deposit of $10,000, you receive 1% of that. From the entire network, if there is a deposit of $50,000, $200,000, $1 million, you receive respective percentages that you can see here. This is the CPA earning. Now there's a big news as well that will be rolled out tomorrow for CPA earning. In fact, I'll do it later today. Only for the month of December, Tag Market has introduced $500,000 and $2 million as well for the CPA earnings. Now talking about incentives, we had 7 Rolexes. 4 Rolex was the silver Rolex and 3 of them were the gold Rolex, which was given away by Tag Market, by Stratify, to 7 of our leaders who were here at the Power Days on 23rd of November. We will be sharing the photos, etc. very soon, but this is an incentive that they have got because they had believed in this opportunity and they started working towards it. Within 2 months, imagine earning a Rolex for yourself and some of the people in your team. That's incredible. Incentives are also there. Would highly recommend all of you to use the Stratify IB portal. Check out what is the qualification and mechanism or criteria for a travel voucher, for luxury Rolex watches, also a home up to $1.2 million. Now here's the beauty. Now you do have your Corbits. You do have the fantastic Corbit. You can use half of the Corbit and half of what you have in crypto or fiat. And in simple way, you're technically talking about a 24x leverage with Corbit. Now, big announcement to be made here. The value of Corbit as of now is a promotional value on Tag Market is only 45 cents per Corbit. Earlier, it was 50 cents per Corbit. Now it has gone down. So it's 45 cents per Corbit. We all know the targeted listing price. Whenever the listing happens, I do not have any sufficient information about Corbit listing. I know that's the next question as well from many of you. But I would highly recommend you to look at the news in the back office and C1 back office where Anders, who's the founder of Cambix, is talking about Corbit listing and all the other features there. So therefore, this price is only up until the 15th of December. After 15th of December, the price of Corbit will drop down. So this was an interesting conversation. I really wanted to make sure that I show this to you. And before we jump onto the question, I would also take a moment to share my screen and my personal. All right, this is my email ID. I'm logging in, Raj Gaurav, and I just want to show you my screen here. Like Smile said in the morning, before the start of the call, some of you do believe, some of you do not believe, but I just personally feel that seeing is believing. These are my MetaTrader 5 credentials. I can share my MT5 credentials with any one of you who wants it, but this is my screen. On one account, I have invested this amount of money. I started with 30,000. The other one I started with 25,000. In one account, I have been compounding. So therefore, if you look at whatever profits that I earned, I put it back into the principal. And with the 12x or 24x leverage, that has gone super high. And on the other account, I'm simply withdrawing my profits. There's nothing else that I'm doing, but I'm cashing out my profit in my trust wallet, and I'm happy with this. And this is the beauty that you can see here. $15,600, $14,400. Isn't this spectacular? And this is my account. And I can show you there was a recent trade. While we started this call, there was a new trade today, 2nd of December. 2nd of December, look at the trade. On one trade, I have earned a profit of $515. On the other one, which I do not compound, $275. So I also want to see the difference. This is a trade. If you're already following MetaTrader, if you're already following Sonic AI, MetaTrader 5, you can see all this profit. And like Kenny mentioned, it's just not only about profits. There are days when it's loss. where there are days when the trades don't happen, please make sure to talk about it, because here we are not going ahead and telling you something which is unrealistic. We are all talking about practical stuff. So this is what, dear leaders, I wanted to show you. $46,000, $43,000. I started with 30, I started with 25, and look at how I'm compounding and growing. This is just the start. This is just the beginning. I cannot say more. I cannot give you more proofs, but I can just tell you that yes, it is a great opportunity if you believe in it. And the best thing of us, we do have a direct touch with Tag Markets, a direct contact with Sonic AI guys. And like I said, there are 3 people in Sonic AI, Master Trader and 2 pilots. Master Trader is the one who executes the trade. Pilots are the one who look at all geopolitical situations, yada, 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 do their analysis, and then shoot the trade up.
Wow.
This was, Smile, my very short answer to your very long question.
Wow.
Recording
guys.
stopped.
We don't have to give him credit. It's already having credit. Let's give ourselves credits. If you're on MetaTrader 5 right now, go in there and just look at the profits and just show us in the reactions, just show us some thumbs up now if you have your profits in the MetaTrader 5 via Tag Market.
Smile, we can't hear you. Sorry.
Right. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
I think you have to mute one.
Oh, yes. No, that's okay. All right. You can hear me now, right?
Yeah.
Wonderful. All right. I'm trying to be a pilot on my side.
You're having it. Oh.
Okay, Can you hear me now?
Still with the echo.
Okay, I just want to get it off because I'm hitting few of them. All right, in the meantime, just carry on while I'm busy in the pilot thing. Go back to the Spotify in the meantime. I'll just get my...
Just mute in the... I have to load the balance either from fiat or I have to
the Spotify in the meantime. I'll just get my...
Just mute. In the meantime, I'll quickly answer a few questions here. I'd again be sharing my screen. One thing I want to share here, dear leaders, that let's say if I have this account of mine, and let's say I withdraw, I have 2,000, let's say I withdraw $500. Okay, withdrawal is complete. Now, I've done this just so that you can understand that when you have a balance, when you do a top up, right, on Tag Market, like I have just topped up $500 on my account. If I have to compound, which means compounding is the king, I have to load the balance either from fiat or crypto and go to my copy X, go to strategies, and for example, you see I have 2 accounts. I would simply go ahead and deposit here. Once I click deposit, let's say $300, I deposit $300. I do not have to burn core bits in this case because there is one account that is already activated. So if you can look at my things have changed. So you don't have to burn your core bits unless you want to open a new copy trading account. If you already have one and if you like to compound that, you can simply compound it as well. So this is one good feature that I wanted to talk to you. You also have the partner area and you do have referral links here. I would strongly suggest you to please use the partner referral link. Partners. This is the referral link that you need to use in order to send anyone an invite on Tag Markets. So this is the partner referral link. Please do not use client. A client referral link, if you use this, the client cannot sponsor anyone. But you need to use the partner referral link in order for the other person to go ahead and sponsor. All right.
All right, that's really understandable. But
Ayun, grabe, no? Napakinggan nyo po, no? Yan. Narinig nyo kung gaano kaganda yung tag market natin. No? May question po ba kayo? Nakita nyo po yung huli kong pinakita, no? Yung about the compounding, no? Ma'am Annabel, siguro, pag pwede kang mag-compute siguro, kung hindi tayo gagamit ng Corbett, co-compound lang natin galing sa deposit, kung parehas lang ba o hindi. Okay ba yun, Ma'am Annabel? Pwede mo bang gawin yon? Just in case. Hello? Ayan. Good evening. Good evening. Yes. Okay lang po. Ayan. Ayun. Any question po? May tanong po ba kayo?
Sir Anton, good morning.
Hello. Hi, Jocelyn. Sige.
Pwede ba magtanong? Kasi yung bakit yung mga taga-Canada hindi makapag-open sa tag market? Ano kaya yung dahilan?
Yun nga yung kinwestiyon ko kanina, no? Kung narinig nyo po, no, nag-question ako kanina about that. So, lahat po ng taga-Canada, no, isend nyo po kay Ma'am Annabel yung mga pangalan ninyo, no? Ay email address, pangalan at saka email address lang po, sabi ni Raj, i-check niya po kung bakit, no? So lahat ng mga taga-Canada, no, including my team, no, sa Canada, yun po ang gagawin natin. So isasend ko sa kanya mamaya. So good question. Pakisend na lang po kay Ma'am Annabel para ma-send na sa akin. Ano po?
Thank you
Okay.
po.
Okay, sige.
Thank you.
Question ko yan kanina, no? Kung narinig nyo, kung nag-attend kayo kanina, yan yung una kong question. Tapos, kasi isang question lang sabi ko, ano kaya yung pinakamagandang tanong? Lahat ng mga tanong kasi, nasagot na ni Raj yung mga tanong sa isip ko, no? Nasagot na ni Raj. Yung about, yun naman yung pinakita niya, magkano yung in-invest niya. Siya mismo nag-invest about $90,000. Kung maririnig niyo po mamaya yung Ambassador Anthony, siguro mga in-invest niya sa mga $1 million o mga $500,000. Oh. Ang Chinese community po, grabe ang in-invest nila. Kaya po karamihan sa kanila, sila po yung nakakuha ng Rolex, yung 7 Rolex na yon. Na-solidify nila yon, no? So, kung nakita niyo rin po yung CPA, no, yung bonus ng CPA, depende po kung gaano kadami yung pumapasok sa iyo. So, makakakuha ka ng 2%, 1% na bonus, 1.5% na bonus doon sa iyong CPA. So, 5 bonus po ang makukuha natin sa tag market, no? Basta po 250 yung inyong inilagay, sa mga downlines niyo makakakuha na po kayo ng profit sharing doon. Maybe sa iba maliit pa, pero it doesn't matter, sabi nga ni Raj. Tarami din yan. Di ba? Madadagdagan din yung ano mo na yan, downlines mo. Yung iba, ang ginagawa, no, maglalagay ako, kunyari ako, naglagay ako ng 250 sa sarili ko, pero yung sa ilalim ko, malalaki. So lahat ng profit sharing nun, makukuha ko. Nakuha nyo po, level 1 mo pa yon kung doon mo ilalagay. So, ganun po yung pwede ninyong gawin. Ano po, para makuha ninyo yung profit sharing. 5 po ang makukuha nyo na bonus doon sa tag market on top of your daily income dito sa ating tag market. So, napakaganda. Kaya kung makikita nyo po, ang lalaki ng investment nila. Magugulat tayo, no? Gaano kalalaki yung mga ipinasok ng mga ito. Let tayo, $20, $50, nagdududa pa tayo. Sila 90,000, kita mo, si Raj. Anong ngayon, ang question niyo yung sarili ninyo? Bakit sila naglagay ng ganon? Ako hindi. Hindi maglalagay din ako. Sabi nga ni Sir Danny kanina, malakas na loob ko ngayon. Kasi nakita ko ngayon, yung Raj na nasa C1 natin, naglagay ng ganong kalaki. How much more tayo? Oh, di ba?
Yes.
How much more tayo? Nakita nyo na eh. Pinakita niya na eh. O ngayon, kung hindi kayo halimbawa naniniwala sa akin na yung pinapakita ko, okay lang din. Kaya sabi ko kayo, okay lang din. Pero makikita nyo naman yung explanation ni Raj. Saan nakukuha yung ganong kalalaking commissions mo? Saan mo nakikuha? Kung pumasok sa akin, $170,000, magkano commission ko? Tatingin ninyo? Sa 2.5% noon. Imagine niyo po.
Grabe yun.
Opo. So, yun na lang yung sasabihin ko sa inyo. Kasi, yun po ay totoong lumalabas sa atin. At nakita niyo yung withdrawal ni Raj, $2,000. I wish makapaglagay tayo ng $100,000, no? Pwede tayo mangutang sa bangko sa Pilipinas. Diba? Para umuwi tayo. O papautangin tayo, may collateral ka, o magkano? 10 milyon. O, babayaran ko yan in 1 year time. O kumikita yun. Ngayon, kailangan malakas ang loob mo. Kasi pag mahina loob mo, hindi mo gagawin. Ngayon, individual decision yan. Nasa sa inyo po yun. Nasa sa inyo po. Ngayon, syempre, there are always risk involved. Lahat may risk na ginagawa tayo. Pero mababawasan yung ating agam-agam o yung pag-iisip natin. Una, nasa C1 siya. Pangalawa, binanggit ni Raj kanina na number one ang tag market itong year na ito. No? Pagdating sa copy trading, no? At ang sabi pa nila, di ba? Kahit yung mga talo, dapat sinishare natin. Hindi lang natin sinishare yung mga panalo. So, kung makikita nyo po, very transparent, no? Sinasabi nila talaga, no, na ganun, ito yung dapat ninyong gawin. O, sabi ni Kenny kanina, no, nagsisimula, di ba? Merong kumikita ng $100,000 a month. So, magkano nilagay nun? Magkano commission nun na nakukuha? Gaano kadami yung nagpasok doon sa ilalim niya kung kumikita siya ng 100,000 naman. So, ibig sabihin, ang nagpasok sa kanya, it's around doon sa ilalim niya, nasa mga 10 million to 20 million para makakuha siya ng 100,000 naman. Nakuha niyo po? So, kung i-analyze ninyo yung lahat ng yan, I'll go with tag market. Nasa sa inyo. And congratulations sa mga nag-start na. Kahit maliit lang yan, it's okay. Pero if I were you, gawan nyo po ng paraan. At least 250.
Grabe yan, sir. 100,000 sa profit sharing tsaka lot commission yon.
Oo.
Hindi.
Yes.
Ay,
Oh.
mangyayari sa yan, sir. Sir, mangyayari sa yan kasi naka-ano ka na eh. Naka-first base ka na kasi yung ano mo, hindi na mapigil, yung Indian team mo eh.
O kaya nga, yun ang sir, alam mo, nagpapasalamat din ako. Kaya ako, Temo, hindi nyo po napapansin kami mga leaders. Panay ang push namin sa inyo. Do this. Ito na yung kitaan. So, sila Sir Eddie, sila Sir Daniel, and sila Ma'am Annabel. We try to analyze a lot of things. We ask question, nag-aaral tayo pare-parehas, kumukuha tayo ng mga informations para pag napagsama-sama natin, solid yung foundation na meron tayo. Hindi tayo kabahan. Di ba?
At saka sir, ito na yun eh. Ito na yung matagal nating inantay. Di ba maraming nagtampo sa C1 kasi nga walang payout, di ba? Walang payout. Kasi pag wala ka namang invite doon, wala kang payout, di ba? Kasi through inviting naman ang karamihan doon sa C1 dati, di ba? Ito, hindi, kahit hindi ka mag-invite dito, kikita ka eh.
Kikita ka.
Alam mo yun?
Kikita ka.
Oo.
Sige, Ma'am Lani.
Ito na yun. Ito na yung matagal nating inantay. Bakit mo pa pakakawalan? Ang tagal mong inantay yung ganitong opportunity, di ba?
Oo, ito na. Andito na tayo po. Alam nyo, kung hindi na natin siguro kailangan pang makita pa yung iba kung gaano kalalaki yung alam mo, sa totoo lang, ako, naiinggit ako dun sa mga yon. Masama mang mainggit. Pero naiinggit ako sa Hindi rin ako papayag.
Narating tayo doon, sir. Tayo nagsisimula pa lang naman tayo. Ang team natin nagsisimula pa lang.
Hindi tayo,
Tangguan pa lang tayo.
hindi
Diba?
tayo papayag. Totoo lang.
Pilipino, hindi papayag yan, sir. Pag nakita yung kitaan dito sa Spotify, hindi papayag yung Pilipino na hindi kumita.
Kaya, siyempre,
Yan sa-
dapat yung iisipin, huwag tayong pumayag na sila lang ang kumikita. Dapat lahat tayo. Paano? Yan ang question lagi. Dapat may execution. Paano gagawin ko? Start from
Tama.
PCP. Compounded. Pag nagkapera ka ng konti, may $50 ka na sobra, ilagay mo. Hanggang sa dumami ng dumami. Ganun yung ginagawa. Kanina nga, kung itutuloy ko po yung makikita nyo po na sinabi pa doon ni Raj na si Anthony, yung ambassador, ang laki ng nilagay. At ang ginawa niya, hindi niya wini-withdraw. Kino-compound niya for 6 months, yun ang gagawin niya. Gaano karami yun? Gaano karami yun? At narinig ko na rin po yun doon sa Indian team ko. Ganon yung ginagawa nila. Bakit? Si Anthony, ito po sabihin ko sa inyo, si Ambassador Anthony po ay majority po ng Indian community nasa kanya. Yung sa akin, minority lang ko, konti lang. No? Pero nakaka-join kasi sila doon sa grupo na yon. Pero under sila ng structure ko. So, isipin niyo po, nakakapagtanong sila, nakukuha nila yung mga informations na yan. Kaya nasi-share natin yung informations na yun sa inyo. So, do it. Alam niyo po, kung gusto niyo ng pagbabago, start from small, no? Then, dahan-dahan po, aangat din yan. Dahan-dahan. Si Ma'am Ophelia, nagulat niya ako, no? 1,500 o 1,600 ang nilagay niya. She started from $600. Anong nakita mo, Ma'am Ophelia? Bakit naglagay ka ng $1,600 now? Dinagdagan mo ng another 1,000. Anong nakita mo? Na kasi nakaka-inspire yun, no? Dati nung tinanong kita, ma'am, naglagay ka na, sir, hindi pa. Aba, nagulat ako ngayon, 1,600 na yung nilagay mo. Diba?
Hindi, 1.8 yung sir. 1.8, kulang-kulang 2,000. Kulang-kulang 2,000. Oo. Kulang-kulang
Sir,
2,000.
kasi tamad kasi ako.
Tamad ka. O, gusto mo lang
Kaya
makita.
gusto ko yung may kumikita ako na wala akong ginagawa.
O, yun. O, sinong tamad dito? Gusto nyo kumita? Tamad kayo? Ayan, ganyan, o. Sino? Sino tamad? Sabihin niya, sir, tamad ako. O, sige, ito, dito ka na. Para kumita ka. Di ba?
Ayos yun na.
Oo.
Para sa tamad talaga itong
Tamad.
tagi.
Oo, hindi na ho kayo mahihirapan. Hindi na ho kayo mag-iintay na tumaas yung value ng coin, no? Kung sumali man kayo sa mga ibang company na nagpapataas ng coins, no? Ito hindi na ho. Hindi na. Dito kahit solo ka pwede. Maglagay ka ngayon sa ilalim mo ng 2 kamag-anak mo. Pwede. Meron ka ng profit sharing. O, 2 lang. Pwede na. O, kung ayaw mo naman, solo ka lang, pwede din. Trabahong tamad, kumikita ka. Ayun. Ayun lang, nakaka-inspire lang kasi nakita ko yung progression ninyo, no? Yung katulad ni Ma'am Ophelia. Kanina, si Ma'am Judith, nagdagdag na naman siya ng $40. Unti-unti, nakakatuwa, no? Kasi, tawag dito, ganun dapat ang gagawin natin. Padamihin natin ang padamihin, no? Alam ko mahirap kumita ng pera, mahirap hanapin ng pera, totoo 'yon. Pero kung gusto natin, by all means gagawa tayo ng paraan. Kapag may sakit, wala tayong pera, nagkakapera tayo. Pag may nagkasakit sa pamilya, nakakagawa tayo ng paraan. Diba? Kapag may namatay, sa totoo lang po, I'm sorry, no? Kunyari, di ba? Wala tayong pera, nakakagawa ng pera, napapapalibing yung namatay. Huwag nating hintayin yun. Dito pa lang, habang kaya pa natin, gumawa na tayo ng paraan. Subukan natin, itry ko nga. Kumbaga, parang Fernando po nga ako, sa huling suntok ko, sigurado buwal si Paquito Diaz. Di ba? O, gawin natin. Maaaring nabugbog tayo ng todo, okay lang. Okay lang, ganun talaga. Life has to go on. Nabugbog din kami. Pero okay lang. Ayan, sila Joy nandito, nabugbog din niya mga yan. Ayan. Sila Ma'am Annabel, yan. Sila Sir Eddie, sila Titaglo. Nabugbog yan, lahat. Pero we never give up. Eh, si Ma'am Doors, nagulat ako. $5,000 ang nilagay from Hong Kong. Anong isip meron ito na wala tayo sana, no? Di ba? Oh. At nakita ko, nag-a-account siya from 2024. Nakakatuwa. Kasi tama yun eh. Kasi ganun din ako eh. Ginagawa ko rin yan eh. Sinusulat ko rin lahat yan. Ibo mo centavos, no? Na inilabas mo. Nakasulat siya, naka-account. Para nakikita mo yung kumikita ba ako, hindi. O naglalaro lang ba ako dito o hindi. Di ba? So, do something about it. And I'm masaya ako pag nakita ko kayo na umaangat. Kasi, yun sa amin, ginagawa na namin eh. Di ba, Sir Eddie?
Pakitaan natin sila, sir, para maniwala naman sila. Baka sabihin nila, hanggang salita lang. Ito yung kinita ko po kahapon. At saka, doon sa profit sharing, saka dinagdag ko na dito sa aking tag. Tingnan nyo ha. Yan, kita nyo. Meron akong naipon na 45. Doon sa profit sharing, saka yung trade. Yung trade kahapon, yung hindi ko na-connect nung nag-zero tayo doon, diba? Meron yung na-zero tayo doon last week. Diba yung pinakita ko sa ining ko sa akin, meron ako na-claim, diba? Ngayon, wait lang. Kapindot ko, wait lang. Ngayon, na-claim ko yung kahapon, at kanina nag-trade, may i-claim na naman. Papakita natin siya yung sinasabing trabahong tamad, ni Ma'am Opelia.
Mag-claim ka lang, withdraw lang yung tapta. Ganda na, no? Tamad ako, Sir. Kaya gusto ko. Ang sarap lang pakinggan, no?
Yun lang ang gagawin mo dito. Mag-claim ka lang ng income, di ba?
Sakto yung sagot niya eh.
Gusto ko na.
Ayan, pakita ko na natin yung ngayon, yung trade ngayon. Makita nila. Ito yung trade ngayon. So, ayan. Ayan, tatlo i-claim natin na yan. Yung tatlong yan. Bali 500 ang total niyan. Ayan. Ngayon, makikita nyo na yung date, December 2, di ba ngayon yung sir? Ngayon, i-claim lang natin. Ito na yung trabahong tamad. Mag-claim lang ng income. Trabahong tamad, yan, meron tayo claim na 216 dyan. Withdraw. Naman. Okay. May 66. Isa pa. Isa pa. Okay. 1.32. Claim na yung tatlo. Di ba 45 kanina? Di ba 45 ngayon? I-refresh natin. Magkano na ngayon?
Kwenta na yan.
Kita nyo? May 49 na. Magkano ang withdrawal natin, sir? Minimum withdrawal. Di ba 10 lang?
10 lang.
May 49 na. 2 araw pa lang po nakakalipas. Palagay nyo po, hanggang Biyernes pa ang trade natin, may 3 araw pa. Magkano abutin yan? Iba pa yung sa asawa. Iba pa yung sa asawa ko. Yung asawa ko naman, para makita nila. Pakulit tayo. Lagin ulit tayo. 49 na yung sa akin. Yung sa asawa ko naman. Isa. May 1655 na rin siya. May 1655.
Kami ang mayayaman dito sa Luba. Merry Christmas sa inyo. Laki ng mga kinikita niyo sa tag market. Kahit isang itlog lang.
Nawala si Sir Eddie. Sir Eddie, nawala ka.
Mahirap pala ang kusyente ng maraming bahay at mayaman. Hindi ako makapasok sa inyo eh. Oh, kababa. Nandito ngayon ako sa studio ko, sa opisina.
Aba, talaga na.
Kanina ako nag-shopping. Kaya ako hindi nakapasok. Ako kanina nag-shopping.
Hmm.
Oo. Ngayon naman, nandito ako sa studio. Sa opisina.
Nakauwi ka na.
Ha?
Nakauwi ka na.
Nandito naman ako sa studio. Sa clinic sa clinic ko.
May tanong ka, Ma'am Lani, nakataas yung kamay mo.
Gandang buhay po.
Sige,
Coach Anton.
sige. Anong question mo po?
Kanina po, naglagay po ako na, umabot po ng 92.7 yung wallet sa tag.
Hmm.
Tapos na-join na po ako sa Zone AI. Ano na po kayang next step?
Hindi. Sandali lang. Sige, pwede kang mamaya, sige, pwede kang mag-share screen ka mamaya.
Opo.
Nakapag ka na, nagamit mo na yung Corbit mo doon?
Opo.
Nagamit mo na. O, nailagay mo yung hashtag C1, tama?
Opo.
Okay, nailagay mo na. So, okay na yun. Wala ka nang gagawin. Trabahong tamad nga eh. Bukas, abangan mo, kikita na yun.
Okay.
Yun yung gusto ni Ma'am Opelia. O baka yun din ang gusto mo, adi, parehas na kayo ngayon.
Tapos na po
Abangan mo
pala
yung bukas,
gagawin.
magte-trade
Kala
yan.
ko meron pa po.
Wala na. Abangan yung ginagawa ni Sir Eddie. Kapag natapos na yung trading, ma'am, at pag kumita na, pwede mo siyang withdrawin, o kaya iwan mo lang siya doon, nasa sayo.
Thank you po, Coach Anton.
Congratulations. So yung 92 mo, nag-times 2, tapos nag-times 12 pa yon.
Ay, hindi po total na po yun ng pinasok ko. Nagpasok po ako ng 10. Tapos times 2, tapos nag-times 12. Naging 240 total trading.
Oo.
Pero ang pinasok ko lang po, $92 lang.
O, $92 nga, nagpasok ka ng 92, magta-times 2 yun, ta-times 12 pa. Tama?
Diba?
Then, di bale, kung mag-share screen ka, kung kaya mo mamaya, tingnan natin.
Thank you po.
Sige. Coach Eddie, nawala ka?
Natabunan ng dollar.
Oh, shopping money niya na yun. Malaki, shopping money niya. Every Monday po ang commission. Ang commission ko this week, maliit lang.
Coach Anton, kaunti lang naman yung iniisip ko. Ano ba ang mga iniisip ko? Yung sa iyo, yung income mo, yung kay Raj kanina nakita ko, at yung kina Sunil sa mga Indiano, at yung kay Ma'am Dors, at kay Ma'am Opelia. Yun lang naman mga iniisip ko eh. Yun lang. Enough na yun. Hindi ko na iniisip. Yun lang iniisip ko. Para magayanan ko rin. Paano kayo magayanan ko mga yung $5,000, $22,000, di ba, Coach Anton? Yung kay Raj, nako, talagang napalokso ko kanina.
Napatipid ka bigla eh.
Talagang bigla ako. Marketing director yan eh. Ng company natin eh. Di ba? Nakakatuwa din. Di ba sa ibang company, bawal kang pumasok sa ganyan? Nagtataka ako bakit pinayagan. Baka kasusyo din siya eh. Baka silang dalawa ni Regina eh.
Pwede.
Makakatuwa lang kasi nga hindi pinagbabawal ng C1 ang mga management pumasok.
Kasi
Di ba pwede bawal yan, di ba?
Hindi naman. Yung iba, oo. Pero pag naniniwala ka kasi sa kumpanya mo na ipinasok mo, pwede. Kasi extra income mo yun eh. Advantage pa sila dahil nasa loob sila. Di ba?
Oo nga, pinapayagan ng C1.
At saka, ang lakas mo kapag palakas ng loob sa atin yun ha. Sa totoo lang.
Ayun naman. Matinding motivation yun.
Oo, totoo yun. Ang lakas ng, lalo kung lalakas ang loob eh, kasi sila, nasa management nga, laki eh. Eh kung kahit pasok ako $10,000 lang, example. Wala yun sa pinasok nila. Bakit ako kakabahan?
Hindi sila nga nagpasok.
Di ba? Di ba?
Sir Anton, nawala ako. Nabibinig niyo ako.
Nawala ka, sir. Oo, nawala.
Itutuloy lang natin para makita din nila yung sa asawa ko.
Sige. Joy, andyan ka.
Umina yung signal eh.
Opo, sir.
Sige, gawin natin yun sa'yo. Mamaya pagkatapos ni ano.
Na-withdraw ko na
Ayan
nasa
na.
balance na.
Ayan na yung-
Hindi lang dito yung withdraw.
Ito po yung tinuturo namin sa inyo na sa baba kayo maglagay. Kaya makikita nyo dito, 750 na linagay ko sa asawa ko. Kasi para magkaroon lahat tayo ng profit sharing, pag nakompleto nyo na yung 250 sa main account, sa inyong account, then doon na kayo unti-unti maglagay sa baba. Pati mga compounding, hanggat maaari doon nyo ilagay na sa baba ninyo para lalaki na lalaki yung mga nasa baba, para lalaki din po yung profit sharing na matatanggap ninyo, di ba? O ngayon, ito. Ngayon po
Mamaya,
ay...
makita mo na po isang milyon na yan. Isang milyon, napapagsak na yung kutsede.
Ayan. So, mas marami na yun sa kanya kasi yung sa akin 500 lang, sa kanya 750 na. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo dito, tatlo po yan din, tatlong account din po yan, tig to 250. Ayan, tig to 250, kita nyo naman sa gilid, pare-pare siyang 250 kasi ganyan kinokomplete ko yung 250 para madali mag-compute kasi 15,000 yung susunugin ko eh. 15,000 dollar. Marami-rami pa. O ngayon, ito yung kinita ngayon ng hindi kalakihan ngayon, pero okay pa rin. At least meron, hindi tayo talo. Ayan yan yung kinita ngayon ng 250, 296. Kaya yung gino-compute ni Sir Anton, minimum 3. Sabi na natin minimum 3 na lang, sir, kasi ito less than 3. Pero kahapon naman, 5 mahigit naman kahapon. Ayan, 589 kahapon, kita nyo. Almost 6. So, okay lang yan. At least, hindi pa tayo nasisiro kasi last week, 3 beses lang nag-trade, di ba? May 2 araw na walang trade. So, zero profit tayo ng 2 araw. Pero dito, kahit na hindi kalakihan, at least may profit pa rin, di ba? So ngayon, i-claim na rin natin yan. 2.07 itong isa. 2.07. Grow. Okay. Yung una, pangalawa, 2.07 din.
Yan po. Kada withdraw po yan, pumapasok yan sa lot commission mo.
Pumapasok yan sa akin.
Pumapasok na lot commission po yan.
2.07. Okay, 2.07. At saka nagsisimula na to, sir, kahit na sa siyam pa lang tao niya, pero nagsisimula na siya. Pero yung alam ko, mga member niya doon, hindi pa sila nagwi-withdraw talaga, nagko-compound sila. So ayan, yung 16 niya, i-refresh lang natin. 22 na. Imagine mo yan, sir, sa aming dalawa, hanggang Biyernes, sabi natin hanggang Biyernes. Kikita kami ng $100 sa maliit pa lang na kapital namin. $100 a week. $100 a week. Di sa isang buwan, sir, $400 na yon. Di ba sweldo na yun, sir, sa Asia? $400. Nakita nyo, ang kapital lang po namin ay 1,250. Pa lang sa ngayon. Ang goal ko po ay $15,000. Pag na-reach ko po yung $15,000, palagay nyo po magkano po ang magiging daily namin. O diba, nakita nyo? Ang laki pong tulong ito. Kung ito po ay maintindihan natin lahat, ang laki po ng tulong nito kagaya ni Ma'am Annabel. Sabi ko, Ma'am Annabel, dito ako nangunguha ng pamalengke ko ng kung ano yung mga kulang sa bahay. Dito ako kumukuha kasi nga nawi-withdraw ka agad. Diba ang bilis ng withdrawal? More than 1 hour lang sa akin sa Wirex. Nadating na sa Wirex ko tapos direkta na sa card. Ginagamit ko na yung card na pang shopping. Nakita nyo? Ginagawa rin po yan ni Ma'am Annabel. Sabi niya nung isang araw, di ba? Ganun po, napakadali po ng gagawin natin. Walang kahirap-hirap pong tutuusin. Ngayon sir, ito yung IV ni Marisa. Wala yatang IV dito. Sa kabila yan. Ay, tata. Magsisimula na rin siya. Hindi pa man kalaki kasi maliit pa lang yung team niya. Marisa. Ayan o, siyam pa lang yung team niya. Sara, siyam pa lang sila. Kasi nga marami pang, kasi director din yung asawa ko, pero napakarami pang wala. Hindi pa nagpapasokan niya. Kaya makikita nyo dito kahapon, kahit paano, meron na siyang 115. Sisimula. Yan ay barya pa lang po yan doon sa mga hindi naman sila nag-withdraw pa talaga. Lang ito, parang kinukompound nila. O ngayon, yung sa Stratify na yan, ito yung sinasabi ni Sir Anton na may nag-testimony na umabot ng 100,000, sir. Yung pinita niya sa kanyang profit sharing.
100,000 in a month.
Imagine mo ito, Coach Danny, pag naabot natin yung 100,000 dito, weekly Weekly yan, di ba? Weekly o monthly? Monthly na yun, sir? Monthly na.
Monthly.
Ay, di. Kahit hindi ka na magtrabaho, di ba? Magtatrabaho ka pa ba pag gano'n na kinikita mo? Matututukan mo pa yung team mo. Mapupuntahan mo sila. Kung saan mang parte sila ng mundo, yun ang gagamitin mo pang travel, di ba, sir? Ayan, ganito lang pa i-withdraw yan. I-withdraw, kiklik nyo lang po yan. Tapos ilagay nyo po yung 1.15. Ayan. O kaya naman max. Yan, click nyo po yung max. May naiwan siyang 40. Mag-iwan din tayo, sir, pala. Mag-iwan din ako ng yung sinasabi mo. Ganyan lang muna. Confirm. Di na-withdraw na. Saan pupunta yung 1.30 na yan? Dito. Dito po yan pupunta. Dito na po yan pupunta sa...
Dadagdag yan sa tag niya. Yan.
Di ba 22 lang? Di ba 22 lang nandyan? Pag rin-press po natin yan,
okay na.
Nandun. Nakita na, nandun na, 23 na.
23.8.
Nakita nyo? So, ilang kami kumikita ngayon? Kumikita ako. Kikita ako sa aking sariling investments doon sa Sonic. Kikita ako sa profit sharing. Ganon din yung asawa ko. Pag nagsimula na pumasok yung member niya, kumikita siya sa kanyang sarili, kumikita rin siya sa profit sharing, sa Stratify. Di ba napakaganda po? I-add mo yan doon sa akin ngayon. I-add mo doon. Tingnan natin, sir, kung may umakyat sa akin, ha?
Sige.
Doon sa pag-withdraw ko sa kanya, di ba nag-withdraw natin? Tingnan natin ngayon para makita nila yung umakyat. Kung may umakyat na, sa lot commission pa lang po yun, ha? Lot commission ang may aakyat lang. Paano ba ang ito? Log out.
Coach Anton, may tanong. Coach Eddie. Hello.
Sige,
Hello, bro.
Ang commission, kasi para marinig din ng mga tao sa loob, ang commission, kahit hindi mo ilagay sa wallet ang iyong pera, basta inilagay mo sa account balance, mangungumission na yung mangungumission na yung upline mo. Tama ba?
Kapag ni-release mo siya.
Oo nga, pag inilagay mo sa account balance,
Yun nga yung lot commission na
pag
sinasabi na natin.
withdraw mo sa strategies, di ba, sa strategies, sa Sonic strategies, pag withdraw mo doon, ilalagay mo sa account balance,
Lot commission mo
mangungumission
siya.
na yung upline.
Yes, lot commission. Yes.
Oo.
Hindi pa siya yung
Kasi nga
profit.
yung itinuro ni Raj kanina, compounding, kasi nakita ko sa kanya, halos madudoble yung kanyang inilagay kasi nga compounding din, wala rin siya inilalabas. Nakita mo ko sa Anton? kung kumita siya ng 3,000, 2,000 na dollar, papasok niya ulit yun. Compounding. Pero yung apply niya, yung kung sino yung nag-invite sa kanya, mangungumisyon yung pag inilagay niya sa account balance.
Oo, tama.
Ayan, hindi naman
nakita
kailangan
niyo po,
na ilagay mo sa GCash o sa wallet sa labas para mangumisyon ng apply. Hindi naman kailangan yon para mangumisyon.
Hindi,
Kahit hindi pa nilagay, lot commission yung sinasabi mo, Bro Danny. Yun na yung papasok, yung lot commission. Pero yung pagdating sa profit sharing, makukuha mo lang yun, ang alam ko, pag nag-withdraw na siya, papunta
Pag
sa
nilabas
wallet niya. Pag dinabas niya.
Hindi.
Kaya
Ibig ko sabihin, pag nilagay niya sa wallet, saka papasok sa yung strategy.
Yes.
Ha?
Oo. Kaya nga wala pa ako nakukomission sa iyo eh kasi hindi ka
Ay,
pa
patay ng
nag-withdraw
bata
eh.
ka. Coach Anton, wala kang 5 doon makukuha sa akin. Kasi 2 years ako magkukumpang.
Ay, okay lang 'yun.
Wala kang matibay sa akin. Kung gano'n.
Hindi, okay lang 'yun. At least
Okay lang, iniipon mo naman eh.
Hindi sir, okay nga sa akin 'yung mapupuno 'yung aking alkansya eh. Di ba?
Ibig sabihin, hindi magkukumisyon ang mga tao, ang mga apply, kapag hindi mo nilagay sa wallet.
Hindi nag-withdraw. Hindi nag-withdraw. Pero magko-commission sa lot commission. Sa lot commission, di ba?
Makakakuha
Lot
ka na.
commission, makakakuha ka na. Yun yung pwede nang i-withdraw. Yung lot commission. Ayan o, kagaya niya lang makikita
Ibig
mo.
sabihin na yung kay Coach Anton, ang income mo hindi pa nilalagay nila sa wallet.
Oo.
Mas
Hindi
malaki
pa,
pa
ano pa lang
mas
yan.
malaki pa ang ini-split mo,
Oo.
Coach Anton, pag
Ano
nandito
pa lang
sila.
yung pinakita niya bro na in-income niya kahapon na 200 plus, yun ay barya lang yun bro. Barya lang yun. Kasi
Ayan,
yung mga
ang
members
estimate ko
niya.
sa kanya 3,000 monthly. Ang commission niya sa Stratify doon sa network, 3,000 na.
Di ba 3,000 nung October? Yung October ay kakaunti pa naglagay noon, nadoble na yon palagay mo. Pag nagsabay-sabay
Nadoble na.
mag-withdraw yon. Di ba? So ayan, ganyan siya makikita niyo lot commission mas maliit kasi nga yan yung wini-withdraw lang natin daily. Tapos pag nag-withdraw na papunta sa wallet yung member natin from level 1 to level 10, yun na yung aakin na sa atin yung profit sharing. Yan sir, yan lang sir muna at ako yung nandito sa school, maingay. Sinusundo ko na sa bulto.
66 pala ang commission ni Coach Eddie, 66 pala na ilabas niya. Tama ako, Coach Eddie. Coach Anton.
Tama.
Kasi hindi ka pa nag-withdraw bro eh.
2 years na ako magko-compound eh. 2 years yan, Coach Anton. Narinig ko yan, 2 years.
At saka si Mama Pelia, hindi pa rin
Maghihintay si Sir
nag-withdraw.
Eddie. Langya naman.
Hindi, tsaka si Mama Pelia, hindi pa rin nag-withdraw. Si Mama Pelia, nag-iipon, nagko-compound din yan.
Oo.
Marami pa.
Natawag
Maraming hindi
pa mga
nag-withdraw.
bangko, Coach Anton, sa akin. Sabi ng mga bangko, di ba sir, uuwi ka? Uuwi nga ako, magbakasyon ako. Ba't ba ikitawag ng tawag? Oo, alam mo na ibig sabihin, Coach Anton, baka tawag ng bangko na yan. Sige. Tapos sabi ko kaya pag uwi ko.
Mag-compute ka na. Pag pinahiram ka ng 10
Kasi,
milyon, pag pinahiram ka ng 10 milyon, magkano ang interest ko nito?
Madali lang yan, sir. Mabigyan si Coach Danny. Marami kasi siyang iko-collateral na
Collateral mo lang yan. Madali lang yon. Tsaka kilala ka na naman ng bangko. Mabilis lang maglaw. Isang araw na ilalabas mo yan.
matindi ako, Coach Anton. Yung iko-collateral ko, ay nag-i-income yan buong buwan din.
Di very good.
Mga property, napapaupahan eh.
Very
Diba?
good.
Yung kukunin kong pera, ay di tutulungan ni Tag Market, pagtapos yung mga naupa, ay sila magbayad. Bakit ako magbabayad? Coach Anton sa utangin ko sa bangko.
Bro Danny, magkano kamo yung kinita mo sa sa C1? 300,000 ba yun? Yung pinakita mo lang 500,000 pala
500,000 euro yun. Points. 5 million points. 10%.
Hindi. 500,000 yun. At karamihan na
Oo.
kinita ni Coach Danny doon sa Ranto galing sa matching bonus. Level 5 lang yon. Palagay nyo ito, sir. Level 10 ito. Ano sa palagay nyo? Pa-overtake ba ni Coach Danny yung kinita niya sa C1? Nagdoble dito sa sa tag market?
Kaya yan ko sa pag nag 5 million each, Coach Anton, kuha natin yan. Halimbawa, sina Ninong Edgardo, kung natin dyan, 5 million. Sina Ika, 5 million din. Si Mami, 5 million din. Ay ano sa palagay mo, Coach Aide, ang mangyayari? Sina Ma'am Opilia, diba si Ma'am Opilia, under natin, 5 million din. Di ba? Mga taga-Canada, under din natin yun. 5 million din. Sina Ma'am Digna, 18 level abot sa kanila.
Tama. Ito, may
Di ba, Coach Anton?
Tama. May tanong dito, Coach Danny, sabi ni Gigi. Ito legit sana, wala pang okay. Sir, magkano minimum kita sa 500 per day? Hanap ako na mautahan. Yes, ma'am. Alam mo, yung 250 mo, magkano yun sa Philippine peso, sir? 250, mga 18,000 ba?
14,000? Ipit?
Yung 250?
400,
Sabi mo ng
14,700.
Sabi mo ng 15,000 pesos.
Yes,
15,000 pesos. Kumikita siya ng minimum, Ma'am Gigi, ng $3. Minimum yon. Ngayon, ang maximum niya kitain.
Ganito. Yung 250, sinukat ko na yan. Yung pinakamababa ng 250 natin, huwag na yung mataas.
Yung $3 nga.
Tama yon. Sa ngayon, $3.
Oo. Times
Yung pinakita ko, di ba? Di ba yung pinakita ko, kahapon ay 5.78 kahapon, ngayon ay 2.97. So,
pero kung maglilista tayo, kung maglilista tayo, ganito ang mangyayari dyan. Kung sasabihin natin, $3 ang 250 na capital, $3 a day. Pero maglilista ka, magkukumpit ka. Coach Anton. Kaya ng mga yan, excited ng mga yan dahil sobra yung competition, yung compute nila, so sobra. Lalo sila ma-excite. Sasabihin mas malaki Sinabi ni Sir Danny, ni Coach Eddie, ni Coach Anton, 3 lang Kinumpit ko, sobra na ng $20 sa isang linggo. Di ba? Mas good yun. Ngayon, sasabihin nila, more pa pala sa compute nila, mas mataas pa pala. Maglalagay ulit ako ng $2,000 kung ganito. Di ba? Coach Anton? Kasi
minimum lang yun.
Minimum lang yun.
So, $15 a day. A week. $15 a week times 1 meron kang $60. So, sa 250 mo, magkano yung $60 sa Philippine peso? Nasa mga 3,500.
3,000 na higit.
3,500 pesos.
3 yun.
Kung inutang mo siya, magkano ang tubo sa 15,000 sa isang buwan?
Maliit lang ang tubo. Maganda kasi kung uutang ka, may collateral, ay bibigyan ka ng maliit na tubo. Pero kung wala kang collateral, titibain ng interest. Yan ang kasabihan ko, Santon. Pag wala kang collateral, doon ka madadali. Pero pag may collateral ka, maliit lang. Interest. Meron pa ganda na may collateral.
Pagpasok mo sa bangko, hiram ako pera, magkano? Ito yung collateral
mo. Ang interest, bibigyan ka ng interest, mga 5% lang. Samantala, pag wala kang collateral, bibigyan ka ng 16%. Tama ba ko siya, Todd? 16%. Ang interest.
Stocking
Pag wala collateral. Samantala, pag mayroong collateral, 5%. Wala pa nga minsan 5%. 470 lang.
Boy, pag po sa Gabriel, ako na lang.
Joy, share screen ka nga. Sa ready, naka-share screen ka, sa ready?
Check ko lang. Guys, steady to do lang. Guys, steady to do lang. Napago ko
Sir ready? Sige, sino pong gusto mag-share screen? Si Ma'am Lani. Ma'am Lani, mag-share screen ka, di ba? Tingnan natin. Ma'am Lani, mag-share screen ka. Gusto kong sagot yun ni Ma'am Papelia. Very good yun. Bakit malaki pinasok mo? Kasi sir, ano eh, tamad ako eh. Gusto ko lang kumita. Ayos ah. Oo.
Coach Anton, may natutunan na naman
Oo. Ang gandang sagot yun eh. Straight to the point. Wow.
Ito yung pag ikaw nagpasok na 3 milyon, Coach Anton, alam ko na sagot.
Bakit? Gusto ko, tamad ako eh.
Kasi ako, Coach Anton, gusto ko lang sa bahay. Bakit, ma'am, sir, bakit ang laki ng nilagay mo? Gusto ko kasi hindi na ako lumalabas ng bahay. Tamad kasi ako, ayaw kong maabala sa labas. Okay din yung sagot.
Good answer, sir. Oh, good answer yun. In a good way.